Hello, good evening everyone. I am Neha Koya and I have my debate partner Om, and we are going to discuss the topic which place is better for studying, home or hostel. Om, what is your first point?
Means I want to say first point like a student have a certain rule and regulation to study in the hostel.
And I also have my first point. Since our childhood, we have heard that home, sweet home, and also we if we ask about the three needs, the three basic needs of human is home, clothing, that is known as shelter and food. So home is that kind of something which is really helping in our real life. So we can start study and spend our study time in home.
But don't you think sometimes it mislead our mind? Means whenever we are at home, sometimes people they make us
They mislead you.
yeah, they mislead you and they make you that much bad. They made you that much bad in the means you will not able to your study.
Home is that four wall in which you live with your parents, and parents are those who are really very good advisor for your everything. If you are living outside your home, that means you are spending your whole time with some unknowns. But if you are living with parents, no one can guide you much better than your parents.
First, you have to understand if someone is going to outside, so maybe mostly he is going to for study, not for doing such thing. But if he is in his home, so he can do anything at his choice.
No, I don't agree with your point, because if we are living in the observation in the eyes of our mother and father, so they are the observer and they can conclude our every negative and positive point from our behavior. Also, we can understand the moral values if we are living in our family, and we can separate from the bad habits in our home.
But don't you think sometimes we are burden in the parents if we see in the hostel, if we are going to do something and we are mostly we go to study purpose, not to do something, and if those are in the staying their home, it means they are burden of their parents.
No one has burden of their parents. Everyone have responsibility of their parents. If we are lacking our responsibility, if it is mean that we are not good child. If we think the responsibility of our family is our burden, so how can we study? It is more burden than responsibilities.
Yeah, I agree with this point, and I want to raise one point like if we are at home and we are free-minded person, but sometimes what has happened, the elope of mind, the elope of thought comes many times in their students' mind, but and they go with that path. But don't you think in the hostel there is no need, there is nothing for this type of?
In the youth life, everyone has a phase that who have to, which he or she have to face, and if she or he is facing this phase in front of parents, so they can guide you better. If you are having this elope of mind in among other, if that means they can guide you in another way that can destroy your life also.
That's why I'm saying in the home the mostly things like but in the hostel our study purpose is like one and goal is one.
It is totally depend on the timetable we are concluding in our life. Also, I want to include a point in this. We are here. We spend our 3 to 4 minimum, 3 to 4 hour minimum in YouTube. We see our vloggers. The hostelers, students doing everything, riding. The girls are curling their hair by lighters or what kind of irons they are hiding from wardens. But they are not doing. If we are studying, if we are going for a purpose and not doing the purpose, so what is the mean of going out of from our home. Also, if we are living in our home, we can see the difficulties that our parents facing. If we are a good child and observing our parents, so we will fear to ask for 10 rupees. And if we are living in hostels, we just ignore the responsibilities of parents, in which condition they are leading their life. We just forget what kind of sweat they are removing from their body, which kind of situation are they having. So we will ask for the limited amount, 5,000, 10,000. My father will send me, and I will enjoy the whole week or the whole month.
As you are saying, it's depend on the person who is which thing is spending his money. But don't you think if he is living at his home and he is showing his parents to in the hurdle, but he will change his goal and his mind will be changed? Don't you think that?
If a kid is really responsible for their parents, so he or she can also change the goal or the mind. If he or she is living outside the home, we are seeing number of suicides done by students for their bad condition of parents, or the competition they are facing in the hostels, or having some boundaries that have given by the insecurities of world. So this is my point.
Yeah, I also want to raise one point. Like if we think like bachelor's life, what do you think about the bachelor life is good or is home life?
Bachelor can also live in home.
Bachelor can live in hostel also.
What do you want to say?
I am saying that those are living their home, those are living the hostel from their home very far. They are dependent on their career. They don't depend on their parents.
It's only depend on the mindset or timetable the child is owning. There are many students who do self preparation and they are getting higher jobs. Like I have seen a boy from Kerala. Her mother was mentally disturbed or what, and he has done CA accountant, chartered accountant examination clear in his first attempt.
Okay, I agree with you. I want to raise one point. Those are living their home and they have no discipline like those who has the hostel boy, and they have no timetable. They wake up at whenever they want. But who are living the hostel, they wake up in the morning. They think about their career.
Hostel home life do not means that you are spending your 24/7 hours in home. You can join your classes. You can manage your routine life.
But don't you think if we have not to do something, so we will enjoy? If we have not to do something, so we will enjoy. Yeah. But no one will think about their future. There is no penalty. There is no force.
In hostel life, if we do not have to do something, we can join bad company, because we are living 90% of the time. We are spending with our friends who are in bad company or good company. So we can do on a wrong.
Yeah,
we can go on a wrong way.
It's depend on the person who is joining the bad company. But in the home, there is lot of chances to become bad.
But I want to conclude this debate that if a child has has mindset of study, so he can study anywhere, hostel and home.